Yes, so,
What happened?
na-out-jump namin sila, right from the first quarter. Na-out-jump namin sila. We set the tone for having a 10-point lead, and all the way, habol sila na habol. They threatened to 2 points, they threatened to 1 point. But we have answers, no? We know if we can execute properly, we can have that decent shot, no? Yung one decent shot na hinihingi ko sa kanila in every possession. And Maso delivered, Jonathan Banal, back-to-back three-pointers. These guys delivered with their clutch baskets, and nagkaroon na naman ng cushion. Habol na naman ng San Beda, habol na naman ng San Beda. So it was parang a cat and mouse game na habol sila na habol. Layo naman kami ng layo until the final 7 seconds. Nagkaroon kami ng bubu sa inbound, pero 7 seconds I thought they were going for the equalizer, but instead they ought to go for the win with Escobal's three-pointer on top of the key. And nung nakita kong ititira ni Escobal, yun lang, sana wag pumasok kasi pagtalbog ng bola nun, umaandar ang oras, magkakagulo, magkakaroon ng loose ball situation. I have instructions not to foul because we're on team penalty, at yun na nga, they were not able to convert on Escobal sa winning three-pointer. Nakuha nila ang offensive rebound, pero wala na rin enough time to execute another decent shot. So,
ni-recap na ni Coach Carlos.
Chamba lang.
Parang hindi na kami nag-cover.
Coach,
Sudden death.
Sige pare.
Sudden death. Monday.
Gaya nung siguro I'll let them rest muna, relax lang kami bukas, and siguro Sunday we have to work overtime on Sunday instead of resting on Sunday. We have to prepare well for that game on Monday kasi right now we're on even footing no? Kung matchambahan pa namin sila uli on Monday, papasok kami sa championship. Okay? So they can't afford na mag-relax din. So tingin ko ang pressure nasa kanila. Kasi alam niyo naman yung story na San Beda, kung talagang powerhouse team to, no? So para mapunta sila sa ganitong sitwasyon is baka hindi sila sanay.